Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Are you surprised that the video you are watching now is completely made using AI?
Keep watching the video completely. In today's video, I will tell you the whole process of how I made this video.
First, we have to create a video script. You can use ChatGPT to create the video script if you want. I made my own video script using Google Docs. Now we will make the first part of the video. For this, we will use this website, Heygen. After coming here, you will create a free account, and then you can select any template from here.
Hello everyone.
After selecting, you can select different avatars from here. Voice can be generated from here by default. We will create the other voices needed to complete our video from the 11 Lab website. If you just paste your script, you can generate professional level voice from here. Are you surprised that the video you are watching now is completely made using AI? First, we have to create a video script. You can use ChatGPT to create the video script if you want. I made my own video. Now I need just a video editing software for edit my final part of video. Are you CapCut? It also available in phone, and you can also use version of CapCut. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share my video. And if you want to learn more about Heygen and Enliven Lab, then check my description. I make full video about those website before link in the description.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.